what's going on, fam? Thanks for tuning back into my channel. Check out the 2020 Accord my sister got. She got it in black, so that's how we'll just go for a walk around. Got the wheels and everything. It's looking great. So far it's kind of dirty, but not that bad. Just do a walk around, everything, a trim. Double parking light, that's the standard lights over there. So you guys could see. Same thing over there. Bottoms are reflectors. Yeah, it still needs to get tinted. It'll look a lot better once it's tinted. See, it's the walk around. I think it's the 18-inch wheels, I believe. That's the double parking lights in the front. The give signal is going to be like that. The give signal. That's the height. And inside height. Looking great. Let's go inside and take a look at the space, how much space is inside. We'll start off in the back since everyone starts in the front. There's unlock the door. Yeah, it's very spacious in the back. Of course, see a lot of leg room. It's spacious. It's nice. Smells good. Let's close that. And then the front seats all the way. It's enough to a comfortable position, and still we have a lot of leg room and everything. And yes, it's good. It's comfortable. And it's that. I'll just turn it off now. And yeah, it's let's just take a look under the hood. What's it like under the hood? That's under the hood, guys. So definitely, whatever modifications I've done, you could definitely do to the 2020, of course. Pretty clean. We got under the hood. And then let's check out the space in the trunk. If you guys are traveling. So the trunk has, let me just move this aside. It's not raining anymore. It's gonna be snowing soon. So that's the leg space, leg space, how much space you got for like traveling. It's kind of big. You can definitely put in like two luggage and hand carry. That's nice. And I believe the seats does go back downwards. Yeah, so you can put more space in it. It's pretty spacious inside, so it's really nice. That's about it, guys. I appreciate the support and keep watching.